Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you an advanced text animation in Figma, something like this. Let me show you how we can create this. For this we need two type of text. One is static and second is moving. So first let me uh, type some text. I have copied the text here already. So this is the heading we are going to create and we will show you the moving text in this only. So this is the static text and I will duplicate this and we will move the last. This is like places. I will change this only. So let's remove all of the others. I'm going to resize the text here and I will remove these places from here and put this frame exactly aside of this. So just select both text, make sure it is aligned, something like this. Yes, now hit enter, again hit enter and write some other text like locations, again spot, one more will be like scene. Okay, so let's resize it little bit for locations. Okay, just like this, and I will make this left align. Let's move it little right. Yes, this is nice. Now what I will do, put all in a frame. Select this and right click frame, make it frame selection. You can see this is frame 1. Now what will I do? I will resize this frame. Before that, let's increase the spacing of this frame a little bit. Select frame 1 and I will increase the height of it a little bit. Now let's resize the frame just like this, and we have to create a mask of this text. So I'm going to click here which says click content. You can see all other words have been hidden. So now I will select both and make it a frame. You can see this is frame 2. I want to do one more thing. I want to change the color of this. Let's change the color to blue, something like this. Yes, it is fine. And move it little upward. Here it is fine now. Let's duplicate it. So here we have 4 text sentences. So I will select all and go to right hand side, and you can see this icon and this little chevron icon. Click on this. Click on create component set. Now go to prototype and select this little icon and connect to second one. This pop-up will open. You have to set it after delay of 800 millisecond is fine. I will change animation to smart animate. Let's change it to is in and out back. Let's make it 600 millisecond and do the same with this one also. Yeah, it is fine. Don't forget to connect the last one to first one. Okay, this is fine. We need to do one more thing. We have to change the text from here. So we can do select this frame and hit enter, and nicely while holding shift press above arrow key and you can see text are moving just like this. Go to third frame and select places frame and hit enter. While holding shift, press arrow above arrow and this is fine. Go to last one, select the frame and hit enter. While holding shift, press above arrow and you will see this. We have to change in, I forgot to change this to text like I have done location already. So let's see what is the third. Yes, it is font. Okay, so this is set. What we have to do, we have this frame here, so go to Offset and here we have this text. Drag this text here and remove the first one. This is nice. Now it's time to see if it is working or not. Oh yes, it is awesome. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.